professionals are struggling to write a C++ program that can print the pattern program. So now let me ask this question: are you able to write a C++ program by using loop that can display the row of 5 stars? So let me learn this program and show you an output. Here what I asked you is this one. Yeah, are you able to write the program that display these stars here? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can write C++ program that print the 5 stars by using loop. Please keep watching and follow step by step to be aware of how it works. Yeah, now here we are going to use nested loop, where we are going to use for loop inside another for loop, right? Let us int j, let us start with I, which is equal to 1, like this. Then I must be less than or equal to 5, and then I must be increment. You see, to mean we are going to print here I from 1 to 5, and once I print out an output, for example say out stars like this, you see, then end line, this is what we get as an output. Let us put here space to make output clear, right? So this is a simple program of displaying row of 5 stars. So let me make a compilation and show you an output. Here we have to put here L as end line. Let us make a compilation again. Yeah, you see there is no error. Let us run it to check an output. You see here, because we put here end line, an output is now displayed as column, but when we put here just this space, we'll get it as a row. Let me make compilation again and show you an output. Yeah, you see now is a row. So thank you for watching this video. Let me see you next one, where we are going to write C++ program that prints square of these stars. We write the program to print pattern of these stars, right? So see you in next one.